We want to insulate the personal injury system from abuse. Now, Florida had a similar problem. I don't usually model anything we do after Florida. I just want to put that out there. But they implemented similar reforms, just like I'm talking about. Their insurance premiums went down 20% over a couple of years.
So, Assemblyman, the governor there acknowledging, look, I don't usually take my cues after Florida, which is a Republican state. She's a Democrat. But it seems like what happened in Florida worked pretty well. Would you be happy if we follow Florida's example? And what specifics are you hoping come out of this?
Well, absolutely, Michael. I'm glad the governor's onto this. I can agree with her on some points. Let me just first start by saying I'm pleased to join you this afternoon, and I'm happy to be appointed as a newly standing member on the Committee on Insurance in the New York State Assembly. I will be the only member in the Western New York delegation on the Insurance Committee. So I'm hopeful that we are able to have a positive impact for Western New York residents on insurance issues that are contributing to our affordability crisis here in New York State. You know, we have insurance is such an important committee in the legislature. We want to focus on auto insurance because that's such a big topic right now. Like we mentioned, we're seeing skyrocketing auto insurance costs. In my assembly district, like most other communities in upstate New York, car insurance and the ability to drive is a necessity. We rely on our cars to get to the grocery store, to the doctors, to get our kids to school. And these are basically essentials in our lives. And why in New York State are we paying an average of $4,000 a year and over $1,500 over the national average for auto insurance? So while I agree with the governor on some of these proposals to work on this for New York State residents, there's many factors that are driving up our high insurance premiums on auto insurance.
Yeah, let me just. Oh, I'm sorry. Just to kind of follow up on that, what are some of the things, some of the specifics, maybe a couple of them that you really want to be in this package of reforms?
So we need to look at in New York State our burdensome regulatory environment. It's stifling competition. Insurance providers are completely leaving and pulling out of New York State. My own family experienced this last year with Adirondack. The insurance carrier just up and closed up shop in New York State. So when you have fewer options and less choices, you have higher premiums. So our regulatory environment, we have to focus on that in our insurance industry. Also, one of the big things that she probably didn't mention is sharp increases in automobile theft are having an alarming impact, and it's made worse by the fact that we have a legal system that doesn't hold offenders accountable. And, you know, I have sponsored multiple pieces of legislation to address the dramatic criminal increase in youthful offender car thefts. And until we resolve this issue, law-abiding policyholders are going to continue to feel the pain of these increases. So that's another underlying cause we got to focus on. And I agree with the governor and her contention that fraud is a major contributing factor, and we got to take steps to stop that. But I want people to understand that fraud is more than just arresting and successfully prosecuting the bad actors who stage accidents. It's also about addressing deceptive vehicle registration practices. That's defrauding providers, and it's the costs are being incurred by the ratepayers of our insurance rates.
It adds up to a lot of money, no doubt. We're going to be following this one closely. Assemblyman, thanks so much for coming on. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate it.